They just go to the shops and I go walk the rest of the else. That's good, isn't it? Oh wow. It's a lovely walk. Oh, happy Boxing Day! I'm wearing the fox house, it's cold. Hello, hi. Yes. Oh, it's nice walking all the way. It's high tide today. Look at that, it's nice. Walking this way. Nice Boxing Day walk. They're gonna stay for some food. And then later on tonight, head back to my flat and then Heathrow Airport tomorrow with my friend Paul. That's gonna be fun. I gotta get the 5 o'clock in the morning train. You guys aren't crazy like that, you see. But I love it. And that in my last adventure by train of the year. Of course. What a lovely day. Everyone's having new Boxing Day walk. It's nice. That's why I was Boxing Day walk. There's two little ducks. It's so cute. They can't call us at home recharging, of course. Ready for tomorrow. Can't use my phone. Oh, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to
Hello.
you.
Oh, I love their skulls.
Oh,
Hi. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, gorgeous ducky. You should get lots of treats from Santa Claus. And Merry Christmas. Happy Boxing Day. Oh, it's so lovely. Merry Christmas. Happy Boxing Day. Happy Boxing Day. Wow. And that's 26th July. I think we're doing the sea. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit cold for each go in the sea. We do Christmas dips that aren't too cold, definitely. So when I walk to their place, from my new place, you'll be a 20-minute more walk. Because if you look that way, you can see the pier. I'm behind the pier now. Wow. Oh, it's so lovely. I head that down. I've got 67 that street. I always carry a towel down on you. Always carry a towel down on you. So you never know. So I'll charge that out when I get home. Enjoy for tomorrow. Oh, what a lovely Christmas night you're having. I love Christmas. Yeah, it's definitely someone's had a swim. Oh, it's too cold. It's only 3 degrees. Air temperature's pretty minus something. Merry Christmas. Oh, look at that doggy. What a cute dog. Merry Christmas.
How you doing, boys?
Yeah, nice day. It's such a lovely day. Oh, look at that little too. Oh. Hello, doggy. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. It's not Happy New Year yet. It's not long to New Year. Well, basically in the last week of 2025 rather, there's a big wave. Merry Christmas. I thought I'd do a little video of a nice walk to my sister's place, you see. It's a good idea. Whoops. Let's look at all the stones to do that. I hope all my friends had a good Christmas. I hope my friends decided I had a good Christmas too. And Joe's my Irish friend had a good Christmas. Hello, Yuki. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi, how are you? Oh, he's nervous. Are you a good dog? Hi. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Oh, bless. Oh, Merry Christmas. Putting your shorts out of the hat because I look like a giant fox, don't I? Hello. Got a giant fox hat. Everybody think I'm a giant dog. I'm a giant fox. Hello. It could be a giant fox. And I think they've had too much whiskey at the Christmas and see a big giant fox walking along. But you never know. What a nice walk. It does. So I think you all like to have a good Christmas. Happy New Year. Well, it's not long to 2026 now. It's Friday, it's Boxing Day. Oh yes. All the waves. So see you all later. Bye for now. Go stop the video now. Bye bye everybody, that's not this.